Today we're going to be checking out the Neewer NW-800 condenser microphone. In the kit that comes with the microphone, the shock mount, the scissor arm mount, this pop filter, and this XLR to 3.5mm cable. Now, for the most part, you can't use this kit on its own. It does say you can with a desktop computer, but I don't have a desktop to test that out. So all I know is that you require 5 volts of power for it. So that means either going through a sound card, an audio interface, or something of the like that can provide it with phantom power. Today I will be testing it out with my Steinberg UR12 audio interface, phantom power turned on, with it connected with an XLR to XLR cable. So I won't be needing this one. We're going to check out the sound quality and compare it to a few microphones that I have in different price ranges. I have a cheap headset microphone, the Zoom H4N Pro, which I'm currently using the audio from, and my Rode NTK condenser microphone. So I'm interested to see whether this microphone, which currently retails on Amazon Australia at less than 30 Australian dollars at the time of filming, can stack up against some of these dearer microphones. So let's check it out. It does say here you can't use it with a mobile phone, a tablet, or Mac. So unfortunately, if that's what you're looking for, this won't be the microphone for you, but hopefully you find the one that's going to suit you soon. Let's check out the Neewer NW-800. So you may notice 2 microphones in front of me now. So I've set up the Rode so we can have a good comparison. Here is my Stealth Royale headset, and we're going to start out with this sound, which is awful. And here we go, we've got some lovely artifact-filled sound from the Stealth Royale headset microphone. Now I feel like this has gotten worse. I'm going to find the footage from when I reviewed this, and I'm going to double check whether it was this bad when I originally reviewed it or not. So yeah, this is this. And now we're coming through the Neewer, and this is the natural sound. I haven't got any compressors on or have done anything to it. This is at level 7 of 10 on my interface, and I'm about, 5 centimeters from the microphone. So I think it's actually pretty good. For the money, I think it's pretty good, but let me give you some sound from the Zoom again. So here we go. I've got the Zoom on a table in front of me, so it's not in, I guess, the ideal position. Let me pick it up. Now over to the Rode. So here I am once again, and I'm about the 5 centimeters in front of it. We'll swap back over to the Neewer now so we can have a direct comparison. Back on the Neewer microphone now. You got to remember, this microphone is this much, this microphone is this much, and honestly, listening back, I have to listen on headphones to hear that this microphone is picking up a little bit more room noise than this one. Now, I'm not an audiophile or anything, so maybe I'm not hearing things that others with more sensitive ears would hear, but it's pretty good, I think. Now let's do a test where we do a little bit of singing, starting out with the Neewer. It's easy to look from the outside, all those pretty photos and smiles staring into your eyes. And it's hard here amongst it, deep in the struggle of every day. And it feels like you're always doing worse than how everyone says they're doing. Yeah, I'm doing fine. So as I said, I think this one picks up a bit more of the room noise. My laptop has a noisy fan that I can't get to completely switch off whenever I do anything, which is really annoying. It does mean it often will get picked up in the background of things. So I'm going to pop a compressor on these 2 microphones now and just show you a little bit more what I'm talking about. And here is the compressor on the Neewer NW-800. And the compressor on the Rode NTK. So hopefully that's given you a really good comparison. Let's get into my end thoughts. So it's the next day, and I just wanted to test one more thing before I finish this video, and that is to move this microphone into another room where I'm not right near the noisy fan. So I've done that. I am currently in the spare bedroom. There's carpet on the floor, but no sound treating on the walls. There is also no sound treating on the walls in the office where I was originally doing my sound test, but This is without a compressor on and just no noisy fan, so let's listen to some silence. And that's what we're dealing with here. I'm going to pop the compressor on now. And here we have the compressor on, some more silence. And now I'm going to turn the compressor off again and we're going to try some singing. It's easy to look from the outside. And with the compressor, all those pretty photos and smiles staring into your eyes. And that ends this little additional test. So at the end of the day, do I think this is worth it? For sure. If you've already got an audio interface or something else that can provide it phantom power, then the sound that is coming out of this microphone for less than 30 Australian dollars is well worth it. Okay, it may not have dethroned my Rode NTK, but that's a microphone that costs hundreds of dollars. This is one that you can get on a budget, and I actually ended up buying two of them. I bought one for my computer desk and one for above my art desk, so whenever I choose to do different live streams, I don't have to move it every time I change my setup. So really happy with it, and I think that yes, there's a little bit of like that fan noise breaking through. Perhaps if you didn't have a laptop that had a fan like mine, it wouldn't be an issue and you would just think, wow, this is amazing. But mine does have to compete with that, so it's just a real world thing. And I think this is a perfectly acceptable level of sound quality for live streaming. I wouldn't turn to using it for recording vocals over my Rode because I already have that one in my kit, but if this was your only option, then this would be alright as well. Like, and maybe even paired with a different noise reduction software, you could get even better results from it. Anyway, let me know what you thought of this microphone in the comments down below. I will have a link in the description to this microphone. It is an affiliate link, so if you do use that to make a purchase of this microphone, it won't cost you anymore, but they'll break off a small chunk and send it my way to support me and my channel. I hope you found this video very helpful today and enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, you can subscribe down below if you'd like to see some more videos from me. And with that, have a nice day, and I hope to see you around. Bye.